What?
You're on video. Where are we?
We're on the Owyhee Dam.
Oh.
Yeah.
The biggest dam in the world. Or in America.
US. I guess that's what they say. I mean, look at the size of it.
Let me get out your window. Beautiful.
And look at all those electric towers.
Man, your head is
Oh,
too
look
big.
at the river. We're like halfway across.
Sure is different than the city.
I want to make a quick stop up here and show you all these this big area with all these rocks. These huge rocks down there.
I should have taken the whole video like this.
Are you still taking the video?
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna turn it off. We're almost at the end.
The end is like, the actual end of it is way down at the bottom of the hill.
Okay, bye Owyhee Dam.